Hello and welcome back to iCalculator. In today's session, we're focusing on the Goods and Services Tax, commonly known as GST, in Singapore, and its implications for both individuals and businesses. In this video, we're covering three key areas: the concept and application of GST in Singapore, the impact of GST on consumers and businesses, including exemptions and special schemes, the essentials of GST registration and filing for businesses. Let's dive right into understanding the concept and application of GST. GST in Singapore is a broad-based consumption tax levied at a single rate on most goods and services. It's an integral part of the nation's tax structure, adding to government revenues and impacting the pricing of almost all consumer goods. Businesses act as tax collectors, adding GST to their sale prices and then remitting this amount to the government. Now that we have a clear picture of what GST is and how it's applied, let's examine its impact on the economy, specifically on consumers and businesses, and look into the exemptions and special schemes available. GST impacts consumers by slightly increasing the cost of goods and services, as businesses pass on the tax to the final price. However, it's not all-encompassing, as certain essential goods and services are exempt to alleviate the burden on consumers. For businesses, GST involves additional accounting to manage the collection and remittance of the tax. Special schemes, such as the Tourist Refund Scheme and Zero Rating for Exports, are in place to support specific sectors and activities. With an understanding of how GST affects different sectors of the economy, let's now focus on the GST registration process and the filing requirements for businesses. Businesses in Singapore that meet a certain revenue threshold are required to register for GST. Once registered, they must charge GST on their taxable supplies and file periodic returns. This process includes accounting for the GST collected from customers and offsetting it against GST paid on business purchases, with the net amount being remitted to the tax authorities. For a more detailed dive into GST in Singapore, visit our iCalculator website. We offer comprehensive resources and up-to-date information to help you navigate through GST regulations. Check out the link in the description for extensive guides and tools. That concludes our overview of the Goods and Services Tax in Singapore. You now have an understanding of GST's role in the economy, its impact on consumers and businesses, and the essentials of GST registration and filing for businesses. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will delve into understanding stamp duty in Singapore, further exploring the complexities of Singapore's tax system. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and switch on notifications to ensure you never miss an update.